The GMC Yukon key fob, used for remote locking, unlocking, and starting, typically uses a CR32 coin cell battery. When the fob becomes unresponsive, replacing this battery is a straightforward DIY task. No special tools are required. Prepare. Ensure the vehicle is off. Gather a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR232 battery, available for $2 to $5 at auto parts stores. Open the fob, locate the small notch or seam on the fob's edge. Insert the pry tool and gently separate the two halves of the case. Be careful if your model 2023 Plus has a rubber gasket. Peel it carefully to avoid tearing. Remove old battery. The battery is held by a clip or spring. Use the screwdriver to lift it out, noting the orientation, positive side up, marked by a plus or CR2032. Insert new battery. Place the new CR2032 in the same orientation, ensuring it's properly seated. Reassemble. Snap the case back together and test the fob near the vehicle. If it doesn't work, the next section covers troubleshooting. If your GMC Yukon key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, here are a few things to consider. First, ensure you have correctly aligned the positive and negative sides. The battery must be oriented correctly with the positive terminal facing up. Over-tightening the case can crack the plastic. If the fob still fails to respond, try resyncing it with your Yukon. Refer to your owner's manual or the infotainment system settings for instructions on how to do this, as the exact method varies by model year. Common issues and solutions. First, if you use remote start frequently, the battery may drain faster. Consider using a higher quality lithium battery for longer life. Second, cold temperatures can affect battery performance. Panasonic CR2032 batteries are known for better cold weather performance. Finally, remember to recycle used batteries responsibly. Environmental regulations like California's encourage recycling to reduce hazardous waste.